In school, change is part of our everyday life. Teachers, new lessons, and new challenges. Pero ang importante is how we face those changes that defines our school culture. Let's build a positive culture of learning, respect, and teamwork.
Guys, maka-stress na kayo. Deadline na ugma, nyawa pa ta kasugod.
Relax lang, let's work together. If magtinabangay ta, mahuman ra lagi ni.
Stress is normal, but teamwork and understanding make things easier. A strong culture means helping each other, not competing against one another.
Starting next week, we will use Google Classroom for your submission.
Up na sad, ma'am. Kapuya na oy, dungag-dungag ra na sa storage.
Dili pwede nga personal na lagpasa, ma'am.
Wala na ba may load?
Change can be hard, but this will help you to become more organized.
Adapting to change builds confidence and flexibility skills that people need not just in school but in life.
Uy, Tadjos! Kamusta naman ka? You look so stressed.
Na-overwhelm ra sa mga requirements, ma'am, oy.
Remember, self-care is important. Pawalay pud! Grades does not define your worth.
Managing stress and supporting one another are part of a healthy learning environment. In every challenges, there's a chance to learn. In every stress, there's a lesson. And in every change, there's growth. When our school culture is positive, everyone wins. Together, let's make our school a place of kindness, teamwork, and change. Kay kung ang culture sa school maayo, tanan estudyante malipay jud ug motubo.